Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. Welcome to Sports King. Alam nyo ba kung sino ang totoong MVP? Aba, kung alam mo, comment below. Tara, tingnan natin ang tatlong hero. Curry, James at Durant. Ano pang hinintay?
Where the high scorer was Kevin Durant with 23 points, scoring 5 of 5 from the three-point line. Followed by LeBron James with 21 points, then Drew Holiday, who contributed 15 points. KD had a massive game, but we don't want to leave out the point guard efforts of LeBron James, who did an amazing job orchestrating the game and contributing 7 rebounds, along with fellow Laker Anthony Davis, who had 8 rebounds. Oh, and I can't leave out Anthony Edwards, who contributed 11 points and put the Serbia player in what the NBA streets like to call the spin cycle. Let's give it a look.